Welcome to Jamaica, the island of real bad man. Some real dog attitude, some real gang bang. No run for the fair, they not garbage pan. Step up! These are the moments when everybody gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in the self-defense no matter what. These are the moments when every gangster gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in the self-defense.
In Jamaica's relentless war and crime, the worst criminals end up on the True Island Story platform. These are their stories.
Welcome to True Island Stories. This is the daring daylight shootout on the borough in a New Kingston today. Club, 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 club. This is not how this story started. But this is surely how it ended. Brawling daylight shootout on Trafalgar Road today at 3 p.m. Okay, so the story is about 3 men with a rob a businessman of a large amount of cash in Swallowfield and took his firearm license and then murder him. Well, in whichever order you choose to put that. And then cut Will Wadada and get away. Or so they thought. I be a dump office in a car and wet up mouth cliff tail a light and man a boss. Jolly was star. So me get a pussy to out of the 40 dog. You want to say I flick him dopey dog. And the next man I say dog, nah man I me knock him for you dog. And the man I say nah bruh, you're a shot catch him now in belly dog. And me kill shot. The man them in a car war over who for shot who that the man them a tell the police. But what they didn't realize was they had a new enemy. A deadly enemy called technology. The new thing named the Jamaican Eye in the Sky. Similar to CCTV in England and America. Yeah. They might not be in the garrison, but uptown in the corporate area, where Usain Bolt building there, you best believe money is spent up there. So what them think? They would have get to scotch-free? The holy scotch reach them, I ban it hot. The police get a call and start track them and catch them right on Trafalgar Road topside YMCA there so. So when police come out time can't stay and a screech go beach down there upon them. Because guess what, them stuck in high traffic. One bike man now come up behind the next policeman in traffic. And I skip through some car come like a killer go towards the car, but him don't know where car they still but him a ride up in an action. 2 other police was further up close toward the white Axiom where the man them in. The hoodlums were trapped in a long line of traffic. Hang over rally. Yo, if you're Jamaican, you must know so you can't take Trafalgar Road them hours there. In a middle, no sir. Traffic must hold you. So right there, so me know say I be a duns go on that the apps there. Straight. So by the time when I police go and I move to the car neatly, you see me in a blue and have on him white helmet. Little broke loose pan the bar and I saw not. 2 police go and approach the car and tell him, man, come out of here, come out of here. Come out, your mother, man. Club, 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 club. Boop, 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 boop. The peasant them start knock it, man. Squaddy them from in a car. Squaddy goes so club, 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 club. And squeeze out 2 times 9. Then goes and chop back a car. You see me, I say, and then goes and wheel out back and goes so club, club, club. And beat 2 more. The 2 police up high front where Juki car goes and frighten your fuck and start wire for them piece in a car. Club, 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 club. The driver and the next you to an car goes and leave the car. One of them a run across the road. Club, 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 club. A base skeleton reach him and him drop in a middle road. Man, that time I can crawl and I beg for do not kill me. But the squaddies were not in a merciful mood. Not today. Boom, 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 and kill that way it lay down. Them just kill a man up the road. Them never show him the mercy. So all them come back now a beg back mercy in a part 2. The next one goes up and scale a fence over Abbey Court and a Spider-Man squad goes up and scale it off him and run him down breathless. The next one get film dead flush here from in a car, him start get skeleton. Club, 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 club. when you look, dog, you see car does a roll, you take time, roll the dog, the driver door wide open. Them time the taxi man and everybody I try turn back in a little small space, everybody I blow them on. Bonk, 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 bonk. You come out of the road, no man, you can't drive. I buy your license. You see gunshot of fire, dog. Come out of the bumbuck, you come out of the road, no man. I want to know that one piece of rotted. Everybody I try turning, you know, taxi man, them a bully. Me see a brother in a red plate taxi goes, and bully a brother we a try turn and I take too long, dog. The taxi man talk the traffic and nearly lick him out of the road, brother. Me I tell you. You see me I say, when everything done, the white Axiom strain up. Two of them dead. And them goes so booms and catch one over Abbey Court. And crime where him lucky that you see next one lie down in the road, him in a full black. Dead. Mash out, then do him bad. And the next one, Kinoba. Dead. You see, bike police. Me say, you see the bike police, if I laugh, I dead. Me say, me pop up. You see when he first shot boss, him fling down the government bike and make a business. This is at him say, look ya now, man. A ticket me right a road give people and more time and man he give me a thing. Bike police now mix up in a gunman and them bangarang. The man choke back a car in a man. And then go up and move back a next year. The big dirty 99 man in a man. Him now move till he shooting done. And he smoke clear and him a ear on the radio say man dead and man get catch. Him now move me say. When me say, oh, him say me nah me come on boy come kill me half left me pitney them. And then them boy go take home my woman. Whoa, you have to take bad dick bet joke. Ah boy, little laugh it and cry, I like TS family. But on a serious note though, he did the right thing. He had to take cover and ascertain where the shots were coming from and cut off his angle and make sure he didn't engage in no crossfire because he couldn't tell which cop was where from where he was. Remember, he was heading into battle when the shot started fire, so him that just fling down him bike a dirty. You understand? So, in my unprofessional opinion, it's best not to fire a single shot than to fire and shoot your partner. Because there's no coming back from that. You know? The shootout video and the gruesome video and pick off one of the dead man. It'll be on my Patreon page. You know, so you guys who are my patrons, you can go and check that out. You know, me can't put that on YouTube because that's kind of graphic. Yeah, so them play with fire today and them get burned. Top flickers. The eye in the sky is watching you. And you don't know from where and from which angle. So may I tell you this. Go bury no gun. I no gun, I go bury no. That me I tell you no. So sometime, brother, the quick ups and the top man thing and the, you know, it no work, brother. Because if you have a little job, you know, you'd have gone home to your family, you know. Because if you have a little 9 to 5, you'd have gone back home to your family. 9 times out of 10. You see me, but you chose the easy and the quick. And look which part it carry you. You gotta take something that belongs to you. You see me, now you deprive a family of a father, a family of a brother, a mother of a son. You know what I mean? A father of a son, a grandfather of a grandson. You know, granted, who to tell how much mouth that man was responsible for feeding that he killed? How much mouth him responsible for, and he just snuff out him life, you know, with no regard. Well, guess what? The day they even done, I want to go join him. See me, I say, now ask yourself this now. Now the flickers them are dead. You don't really lose nothing, you know, because death is no revenge. But every killer of a mother will love them, or more likely. So 8 or 9 out of 10. Yeah, some mother out there now don't love at all, you know, but that's a different subject for them kids. But we say 7 out of 10. If you don't have a mother, you have a friend who love you, a girlfriend. Even though she put up with your foolishness. So somebody gonna mourn your loss. And probably some of them don't even know where you do, them don't even know where you're gone. When them hear them shock, and can't believe. All for fast pace. If you are going to do something fast, well, not kill nobody, brother. You never take the gun but not kill him. Make him live, you go feed him family. Him dead, 200 dead, and 1 day at prison. No one day at prison now see the light a day again. Give a him life, just so. He could have their road tomorrow. But he might know say that day I will never forget it. We're going to appeal it. When them catch him red-handed, and squad of them recover 2 guns in their car. Ah boy, it's rough, Man, them make beer money down there and I buy beer gun. And when time the money now make everybody a ball say, Jano, them want a little money to take them out of stress. Sometimes I better some man stay broke, Cause them get money, them turn nuisance to people and problem. Sometimes I better some people stay broke. And them say when some man down, you keep them down. It is a real thing that's saying that that's deso. A real talk. Cause some people toxic. Anything them touch, poison. Anywhere them go, death and murder and maim them bring with them. And sorrow and crosses. Anywhere them go, them bring them crosses with them. So, if you want to know say them states and harbor them around you, that's your problem. Because you're not going to know say knife sharp and put it in your neck, What do you think it's going to do? A bust it, going to bust your neck like pig and goat. Yeah, man, so just stay up on the straight, brother. Keep on the cookie and cut straight. You see me? Go and stay at the wicket and knock 1-1 runs. You will stay longer. You see me? I say, you will stay longer now and mortgage gone near mono. You see me? All the way go going, because the only thing showing life is debt and taxes. But guess what? You don't have to go before your time. Some people expedite them time. Well, if you want to give a year when you can give it to anybody, I'm going to try to hold on by mine as long as I can. You see me? I say, because life is too precious. It's the most precious thing on earth. You see me? I say, yeah, man. So, I'm going to leave you with that for now. You understand? So, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, please. One little like, nah, kill, one little comment. Help me build the channel. You understand me? Yeah, man, and the store soon fly, Yeah, man, real talk. So, you can get a real clam merchandise and the real thing them can gone over the hump, So, all who did put in them order, it take a while, but we have to do the thing the right way, you know what I mean? No hurry come up, you see me? So, bless up on yourself, man. If you choose to pick up the gun or the knife, then there's a chance you might end up on True Island Stories. What will you choose? I hear you feel. Question: what will you choose? Lego the gun a come on TIS News. What will you choose? Cry peace or dead in the field. What will you choose? Lego the gun a come on CVM News. What will you choose? Choose, lose, clues. Look, see, God with the touch. Nighttime them run out fully dark. Guns on one another, everything a sparks. But who are the piranha? Which one are the shark? Moon the black rims, but the cat same soft. And I estimate the pass and get them head cock. Screamers and YG man them a war. Whole place fuck up from them gone with the boss. Scared them bridge dream a rat man dark. Whole place a moon from them like a playboy. When the man drop, and who get the joy? Panties, you turn star, but what will you choose? Lego the go that come Panties News. So what will you choose? Cry peace or dead in the field. What will you choose? Lego the go that come CVM News. So what will you choose? Cry peace or dead in the field. What will you choose? What will you choose? What will you choose? What will you choose? Charlie Wap lock down Rockfort. Mikey Pulp, head in a boat.